everyone, hi, it's Nada here and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to knit this little hat for baby between 6 and 9 months old. This little hat is worked in a round. It has such a cool top and two funny cords. These cords can be tied in a bow, like this, okay? Also, the cords can be twisted together and be of different colors, for example. Or let it be as it is. After all, babies like to play with such things. Okay, it's little top, and also you can see how this little scarf is knitted in the information box to this video. There will be all measurements and how much I casted on stitches and how much knitted this and this. And this. Okay. Here is such the cool little scarf and so on the little hat I offer to knit. Let's start it. So we need the yarn Alize baby wool, yarn size 4. I used it in 2 threads. In total I needed 2 balls. Okay. Then a tapestry needle, a tape measure, and a circular needle size 3.5, and a marker. Okay. In any way you prefer, cast on 70 stitches. Okay, and now make sure you don't have any stitch twist. So I'm going to join in a circle. I slip my first stitch like this and over this stitch like this. And I'll put it back and place the marker. Okay. I'm going to knit 7 rounds, all knit stitches. Pull up and knit. 7 rounds we must to knit all knit stitches. Alright, I knitted 7 rounds. And now I'm going to knit 3 rounds, rip one by one. It's the beginning of the rounds. 1 knit, 1 purl stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl stitch, knit, purl. With the rib, my little hat will fit better to the head. That's it. Okay. And now I'm going to knit 25 rounds, all knit stitches. Okay, I have knitted up as much as I need. And now I'm going to place the markers. I'm going to count 10 stitches and place in marker. Okay. Then 15 stitches. Okay, marker. And then 19 stitches. It is my front part. Okay, and again 15 stitches. Okay, and the last 10 stitches of my back part. Okay, now I'm going to make decreases here and here, 2 stitches together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slip, next knit, and this stitch over the knitting stitch. Okay, 1 knit stitch and 2 stitches together through the front loops. Create a right slanting decreases. Okay. Then 10 stitches. Slip, knit, okay, 2 stitches together through the front loops, stitches, slip, knit, and the stitch over the knitted stitch, 1 knit stitch, and again 2 stitches together, creates a right slanting decreases, and continue. Slip, knit, and over, okay, 1 knit stitch and 2 stitches together, okay, the end of round, and the next round will be without decreases, and then every second round we repeat the decrease. Step by step you can find in the information box to this video. Alright, I've knitted all my decreases, and now I'm going to knit 5 rounds all knit stitches. Only knit stitches. Working around on circular needle, switch to double point needles when needed. I knitted 5 rounds, and now I'm going to make decrease one more time. I'm going to knit 2 stitches together one by one. Two stitches together, okay, and again 2 stitches together, and again, and repeat to the end of round. Together, okay, so 11 stitches remain, and now I'm going to cut the yarn. Okay, and thread tail onto tapestry needle, like this, and thread tail through remaining stitches. Okay, pull the yarn and bring tail to inside of head to weave. Bring tail to inside of head to weave in. Weave in the end of yarn and block as desired. I'm going to create a knot. Okay. One. And two. All right. Now I'm going to knit 2 cords. The link to the video how to knit a cord will be to the information box. Now with crochet hook I pick up 3 stitches. Okay. And I'm going to knit my cord, my first cord. Okay. Knit all 3 stitches. So the cords are knitted. That's so funny. Check it out. My baby is 7 months old and we will be happy to wear this little hat and this scarf. If my video was helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And bye bye.